going to see to find the shear flow in a multi-cell structure of a closed section. Earlier we have solved a problem on two-cell structure. Here it is. We are going to see for three-cell structure. We have cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, state. Okay. As well as having the length of the first cell 40 cm by 80 cm with the thickness. The thickness is 3 mm uniform. So here the thickness will be having here also all horizontal as well as vertical member. So wherever the segment is there, the thickness being given as uniform. Okay. The state is 3 mm. Okay. Here we have to notify that T is equal to torque. It is 10 km. That is nothing but 2A1 Q1 plus 2A2 Q2 plus 2A3 Q3. Okay. So here A1, A2, A3 is there. So A1 is nothing but the first cell area. So 80 into 40, that is area. Second cell is 40 into 35. The third cell is 45 into 40. Okay. But we know that value is 10 km, but the unknowns are 3 members of it. Q1, Q2, Q3. 3 unknowns. So we need 3 equations. One equation is there, but how to find? So we need to use the compatible equation as said earlier in the problem. That is theta, where theta is equal to 1 by 2Ag into Q ds by t. Okay. That is shear flow, it is the perimeter and thickness, the shear modulus and the area. Okay. But we know the compatible equation, but theta 1 equal to theta 2 equal to theta 3. Like that we can have it. Okay. So here where we are having the main difference is where we are going to have the perimeter as well as the thickness. Corresponding thickness you have to take, corresponding perimeter you have to take. That's the very important thing. When you look at this problem, first cell, it contains here Q1 alone, here Q1 alone, here also Q1 alone. But here Q1 and Q2, Q3 also will be there. So you have to have here in this region. Okay, this is nothing but Q1 minus Q2 minus Q3. This much shear force. Okay. While considering theta 1. Okay. While considering theta 1 by 2AG, that is A1 G into Q ds by T. So you can say Qm into ds. So ds equal to 80, 40 plus 40. Okay. So totally 160 divided by thickness 3 mm. Okay. Minus it is Q2 plus Q3 is there. Okay. Q1 minus Q2 plus Q3 into this length, that is equal to 80. 80 by T, that is 3 mm. Okay. So this is the methodology. First for theta 1 by 2Ag into Q into ds by T. Here for first cell, here it is independent. It is also independent segment. Here also independent segment. Here where Q1 will be split to the cell 2 as well as cell 3. So here the total Q1 minus Q2 and Q3. Okay, again you have to substitute and we get an equation in terms of Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay, theta 1 equal to Q1, Q2, Q3 as an equation. Like that you can go for theta 2. Same way 2Ag into Qds. Okay, here we come for here Q2. It is independent. Okay, here Q2, here Q2. But here, okay, here you have a Q2 and Q3. So you will have Q2 minus Q3 here. Okay, then at this point, already have it is Q2 minus Q1. So like that you can have. So now the main thing is Q. What is Q? Here I am taking this as Q2. Q2 into, okay, Q2 into 40 by 3. Here also Q2. Q2 into 35 by 3. Okay. Next you can come here. Here it is Q2 minus Q3. Actually it should be subtracted. That is equal to Q2 minus Q3. Q2 minus Q3. That is B. And Q2 minus Q3 into this distance, that is 40. This is 40 by 3. And you can go for this one. Here Q2 minus Q1. So you have to add another one plus Q2 minus Q1 into this segment. This segment is equal to half of this one. So 40 by 3. 40 by 3. Okay. So accordingly, you can go. Once again, I am telling that here it is Q2 alone. The seconds are alone. Here also seconds are alone. But it is a junction of 2 and 3. The cell 2 and 3. And here it is 2 and 1. Okay. Accordingly, Q2 to be subtracted from the other one. Accordingly, the perimeter or segment divided by thickness you have to apply. For the third one, okay. So for the third one here. This is Q3 alone, third cell alone. Here it is also third cell alone, independent. But this one, so 3 and 2. Okay. So here Q3 minus Q2. Here Q3 minus Q1. Like that you can take. Okay. So for these 3 you can apply same format. This Q3 into 45 by 3 plus Q3 into 40 by 3, and here it is Q3 minus Q1 into this distance by the thickness plus here it is Q3 minus Q2 into this distance divided by thickness. Like that you can apply, get the value. So finally you can substitute this comparative equation. You can find Q1, Q2, Q3. This value you can find. Or to find this one, you can use you can find the theta value. Or to find this one, tau value you can find. Tau is equal to Q by T. Okay, so you can find tau 1, tau 2, tau 3. Accordingly, get the value. So it is a very easy problem. Only thing is mathematical approach. The concept you should know where the shear flow will be split or distributed or independently acting. That is the thing we have to approach. Then comparative equation we can apply it. Okay, finally we can get the shear flow value and of twist the unit line, then the shear stress values. Okay, so that's all for today's class. So we will see you in the next class. Thank you.